Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change a flight on Travelocity. First, I'd like you to know that changing a flight on Travelocity can be done through your account if the airline allows modifications and if your booking meets the criteria for changes. So, here are the steps that you can take to change your flight. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to the Travelocity website at www.travelocity.com. So once you get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt to log in if prompted. And once you have logged in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features of an exciting time in Travelocity. So once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to click on Trips. The Trips tab, which is in the top right corner of the screen. And once you click on that Trips tab in the home page, it takes you here. Now, I do not have upcoming trips, so there's literally nothing to show here. But if you do, you find all of them organized here. You will see a list of your booked trips. So go ahead and locate the booking for the flight you wish to change. Now, have you located it? The next thing now is to click on the specific flight booking to open its details. Then once you've done that, look for an option labeled change flight, modify booking, or anything similar depending on your current update. Now, Travelocity will show you the available options for modifying your flight. These options depend on the airline's policy and the type of ticket you purchased. So check if there are any fees or fare differences associated with the change. Once you're done, provide the updated travel details such as new dates, times, or destinations. And after that, click on Search Flight to view the available alternatives. From the search results, choose the flights that best fits your preferences. Then confirm the new flight details and review the cost associated with the change if applicable. The Travelocity will show you the breakdown of any additional charges or refunds. Once satisfied, go ahead and click Continue or Confirm changes to proceed. After payment, the next step is to enter the payment. So enter the payment details if there are any additional charges, of course. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation email with the updated flight itinerary. A couple of things I'd like you to know. Flight change policies vary by airline, so check your ticket's terms and conditions to understand the change rules. And most airlines charge a change fee and or fare difference unless your ticket is flexible or refundable. And if the change flight option is not feasible, it could mean that changes are not allowed for your booking. So contact Travelocity customer support or the airline directly for assistance. And if you encounter any issues whatsoever or you cannot change your flight online, just go ahead and click support in the top right corner of the Travelocity box and check. Once it takes you to help desk, check the bottom right corner of the screen. You're going to find the help box. Click on the chat bot and get in touch with them. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you begin to go. I hope you had a great time watching this tutorial.